on today, guys? It is now Saturday. It is Lake of the Ozarks truck meet day, and as you guys know, I spent pretty much, I was up late last night, Friday night, getting this truck ready and cleaned up and everything. It has decided it was gonna rain, which is what I was afraid of, and pretty much why I didn't do all the waxing and the buffing and clay barring like I wanted to, because it's just going to get dirty again. So we're going to get things packed up. We're going to head up to the meet, and we're going to take a look at a few trucks and see what everybody's brought out. So it should be a good time, rain, no rain, whatever. It should be pretty fun. Okay, we are headed that way a little bit later than we wanted. The first place we went to have breakfast, that was way too busy, so we just went to IHOP, and it was still kind of busy. I've got the wife over here riding shotgun with me. This is the first year she gets to actually go. Typically she has to work, so it's nice to actually have somebody riding with me this time. So we're gonna head up there. Of course, it's starting to rain yet again anymore. I don't understand, but yeah, we'll head up there. We'll still have a good time. Trucks are gonna be dirty, which is great. So whatever. All right, on the way finally to Lake of the Ozarks. We are following Darkside Tahoe on Instagram, my buddy Brandon, and behind us in the Ford 6.0 we've got 17_Sasquatch. I'll pop up both of their usernames on the video, that way you guys can go follow them on Instagram. It was just gonna be both of us, me and the Tahoe, but Tristan decided to join us. We were gonna have a few other trucks, but they got scared off by the rain, I guess. Yeah, we're just rolling with 3. That works for me anyway. All right, we are about, 15 minutes away. We are making a stop at the gas station to grab some beverages, take a bathroom break, then we'll head up out there and check out the show. So it's gonna be a good time. How do you think, babe? What do you like? You like it?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Always fun. All right, we made it, and we met up with several other trucks that I know of from Lift the Truck Nationals and other truck shows around, Instagram, all that stuff. So we feel like we belong here now amongst all these little cars. I can tell you one thing though, is that white step side up there that you saw sounds amazing, so I definitely got to check that one out. But man, people around here, they drive so bad. All right, we are out here checking out some of these trucks. There's some pretty clean trucks out here. I will be posting up a ton of clips, so be sure to watch the whole entire video for all the footage and everything. So we've got, I don't even know how many trucks, but there's a lot of trucks. So video quality should be a little bit better. I'm switching back to the camcorder, and yeah, let's hope you. anything you like so far?
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you like?
Yours.
Mine? Nah. Nah. I think she's a little biased. There is a ton of trucks out here. Like, it's hard to even try to look at anything. I can definitely say that this show is way bigger than it was last year, so that's a good thing. Every year it probably is going to keep growing, getting a little bit bigger, getting a little bit better. The only complaints that I have is that it's $5 to enter the show and shine, which should be included in the price that it is to enter the actual show itself, which is $30. So I don't understand why we have to pay extra for the show and shine, but you know, whatever, I guess. Yeah, I registered for that. Probably won't win anything, but I guess you never know unless you try. So, yeah, there's a lot of trucks coming out here this year. I'm glad the weather held out. They forecasted some rain for today, but it is nice and sunny as you see. And yeah, I definitely recommend you guys come out here next year if you are in the area. Well, babe, what do you think? Is this event worth coming to? Would you recommend the viewers on the channel to come to this event?
Yeah.
See, she's a woman and she's even saying to come to it, so you know that means something. She didn't like that. All right, we are headed back from the show. The show was awesome. Like I said before, I highly recommend you guys check out the Lake of the Ozarks Truck Show. We had an amazing time. The only thing that I could say that they could do differently is a little bit more vendors, have a little bit more buying options, but it's a really nice area. It's got some really nice views, as we can see. Truck looking good behind me. But yeah, we're gonna head home now. We've got about an hour and 50 minutes, I guess a 2-hour drive back home. So I'm gonna wrap this up. This was Lake of the Ozarks 2019 Truck Meets. Meet you guys that are fans of the page, fans of the channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you that take the time to come up and say hey, introduce yourselves to me, and that you follow the channel. So it really means a lot to me, and let's help this channel grow. Let's get this thing taken off. Let's grow it a little bit more. Without you guys, it wouldn't be where it's at today, and it keeps getting bigger every single day. So I definitely appreciate you guys with that. And as always, guys, thank you so much for everything. And if you're new to the channel, please go down, hit the subscribe button for me. Anyway, follow my Instagram at Badsy71, and you guys take care, and we will see you in the next video. So peace out.